Quel, est-ce que, qu'est-ce que,
What is that? What is that?
quel,
Which, meaning which or what when referring to a noun. Usage. Used to ask questions about choices among options. It agrees in gender and number with the noun it modifies. Example.
quel livre,
Which book?
quelle fille,
Which girl?
quel film,
Which films?
quelle voiture,
Which cars?
est-ce que,
Is it that? Meaning, it translates to, is it that, and is used to form yes-no questions. It is very common in spoken French and helps maintain the word order of a statement. Usage. It is placed at the beginning of a statement to turn it into a question. It does not change according to the noun or subject. Example.
est-ce que tu viens,
Are you coming?
est-ce que c'est vrai,
Is it true?
qu'est-ce que,
What is it that? Meaning, what in a more open-ended sense. It's followed by the subject and the verb, maintaining the word order of a statement. Usage. Used to ask questions about things or actions. It also comes before a subject and verb to form a question. Example.
qu'est-ce que tu fais,
What are you doing?
qu'est-ce qu'il veut,
What does he want? Combining.
quel end est-ce que,
You can combine.
quel end, est-ce que,
To ask questions about specific choices or options in a yes/no question format. Examples.
quel film est-ce que tu veux voir,
Which movie do you want to watch?
quelle émission est-ce que vous préférez,
Which TV show do you prefer?
point à retenir,
Questions with.
quel,
Often used when the response is expected to be a selection from a limited set of items or choices. Example.
quel restaurant préfères-tu,
Which restaurant do you prefer?
quel,
Agreement. Remember to match.
quel,
In gender and number with the noun it modifies. Questions with.
est-ce que,
Often used for more straightforward yes/no questions without requiring choices. Example.
est-ce que tu as fini tes devoirs,
Did you finish your homework? Questions with.
qu'est-ce que,
Used to seek clarification or information regarding actions or events. Example.
qu'est-ce que tu as mangé,
What did you eat? Combining.
quel end est-ce que,
Combine these structures for specific questions about choices.
les erreurs à éviter,
Word order. Pay attention to the word order in questions when using.
est-ce que, end, qu'est-ce que,
Confusing.
quel,
With.
qu'est-ce que,
Remember that.
quel,
Requires a noun and indicates a choice, while
qu'est-ce que,
is more general. Misusing agreement with.
quel,
Misusing agreement with.
quel, quel,
Must agree in gender and number with the noun. Don't say.
quelle voiture,
Instead use.
quelle voiture,
Omitting the subject or verb with.
est-ce que,
Always follow.
est-ce que,
With a complete sentence, it should include a subject and a verb.
est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat,
Not.
est-ce que aimes le chocolat,
Overusing.
est-ce que,
You don't need to use.
est-ce que,
For every question. Questions can also be formed by inverting the subject and verb. Example.
aimes-tu le chocolat,
Using.
qu'est-ce que,
With a single item. Avoid using.
qu'est-ce que,
When expecting a choice. Using.
qu'est-ce que,
with a single item. Instead of,
Qu'est-ce que tu veux, la pizza ou les pâtes?
what do you want, the pizza or pasta? Use,
Quel tu veux?
which one do you want?